sa toys, di ba? Pero ito toys siya. Sige, buksan mo yan. Pasok ka dyan. Ayan. Okay. Anong gusto mo laruan? Playboy ko. Mainit to ah. Kasi nga Playboy. Elenia. Baywatch. Fuck. Yeah, okay. So, pasok ka dyan. Okay. Pipindutin mo lang ito.
Yan?
Diba? Diba?
Alright.
Sure. Uy, bukas. The fuck? Hindi ka sa secret, di ba? Pasok. It's a secret bar, man. Di ba? Galing. Nice ba? O, di ba? May mga bear brick pa. O, di ba? Pati mga may poison. Diba? Nice ba? Secret bar. Galing. Hello. Good evening. Nice ba? Ate, welcome ba mayaman dito? Sige.
Opo naman.
Pwede na ba pumasok?
May I ask po if you have reservation, sir?
Wala eh.
For
Check lang namin walking na.
Can I have your name, sir?
Darwin.
For how many packs po kayo?
3 lang, 3. Pag okay sa inyo, dadami pa.
Can I have your number, sir?
6-3.
Ano number?
Ikaw na yun.
995-860-4404.
Sir.
Okay. Welcome. 2 plus 81. Secret. Ano, Darwin, sasabi mo dito sa secret bar?
Everything is secret. I love it.
You like it? Galing, di ba? Look at the place, di ba? Very nice. And maganda dito, piniplay nila yung music natin, di ba? Look at that. Di ba? Nice bar, yeah. There. Everything's here. Only here in the heart of Makati, place to be. Kuya, what's your name? June. June. Kuya June in the house. Panorin mo sa vlog ko to, ha? Only. Eh, diba? Filters playing on the background. They have DJ's booth. Ikot ko lang kayo. Diba? It's a nice place. Only. Diba? Pakita ko lang yung place, Kuya Jun, ha? Para mapupuntahan to palagi. May mga reservations tayo dito, pwede. And we're open until time?
6 to 3 a.m.
6 to 3 a.m. And then we have DJs also. Galing, galing. We have a lot of... tsaka maluwag yung space. Dapat to, club na to, Jun. Pwede bang maging club to? Ha? Sumasayaw namin minsan. Meron? That's good. Galing. Tsaka look at the place, oh. Very nice. Ganda. Plus 81 here in Makati. Holy. You have nice restroom also. Diba? Pa isa. Holy. Maganda dito. My song is playing. Diba? Only. Picture mo, di kailangan ng filter. Ganda mo, pang drop dead killer. Ikaw ang gusto ko, always forever. Hanggang sa life ever after. Ano? Okay ba, Darwin? Ang nakikita, mukha mo ay napakaginhawa. How I wish we'll always be together and we'll live happy ever after. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I love you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, I love you. Plus 81 only. Okay, so we're with Miss Donna here of Plus 81. And she's going to show us the VIP room here at Plus 81. What the fuck? Very nice, Donna. I love the place. So this is your KTV.
Yeah, VIP 1 room po. Maximum
VIP
of 6 packs. Then, for today po, Saturday, 8K po siya for 2 hours. All consumable
Okay.
po. Yeah.
So every weekend, Saturdays and
Thursday to Saturday.
Thursday to Saturday,
Yeah,
it's 8,000
for 2 hours.
for 2 hours
Yes.
for 6 persons. And
Yes,
that's consumable,
Yeah,
maximum.
consumable po.
And then, kumpleto naman kayo lahat ng kanta rito.
Yes, sir. Meron po tayong songbook.
The song.
Meron din po tayong YouTube.
So, pwedeng kantahin yung kanta ko rito sa Spotify at sa YouTube.
Yes, pwede naman. May wifi naman.
So, ayan. Ang ganda. Actually, maganda yung room nila. And quality yung lugar.
Yes, quality yung microphone dito.
Maganda. So, for 8,000 on Thursday till Saturday, not bad, di ba? Kasi consumable naman. Pero mas mura kapag Wednesday till...
Sundays to Wednesdays po is 5K lang
yun.
for 2 hours.
For 2 hours. Tas,
Consumable pa rin.
consumable, 6 persons pa rin.
Yes.
But pag may bisita pang iba,
Additional 500 per head lang po.
Aha.
Then, additional per hour is 1K po. All consumable.
1K, all consumable. Ganda. Okay, so again, Donna, do you have any Facebook page where they can follow?
You can visit our Instagram.
Instagram.
Instagram page. Follow us on Instagram. Speaking of 81 po. Ayan.
Ano pangalan?
Speaking of 81.
Speaking
Yes,
of 81. As in yung spelling, speaking of
Yes,
81.
81 means po is International
Yeah.
Food of Japan.
Okay, so plus 81 for those of you who doesn't know why
Yeah.
this is plus 81. This is
Yeah.
the country code of Japan,
Correct.
di ba?
Kung dito sa
Plus 81. Kung dito sa Philippines is plus 63.
69. Ay, 63.
No, 63.
63, yeah.
The 69,
Correct.
ano yung plus 69 kay Big Boy Cheng yun.
Okay.
The favorite number. No, plus 63 sa Philippines.
Yeah.
Pero sa Japan, ang country
Plus
code
81.
is plus 81. That's
Yes.
why. And I think yung owner ba neto, collector din ng toys? Kasi I'm a
Yes po.
collector of toys.
Actually, alam ko po may ano siya. Yung family po nila is nag-ano po ng toy shop talaga. May toy shop.
May toy shop talaga.
Yeah. In
Well,
Japan po ata.
In Japan. Kasi I saw there's a lot of bear bricks outside. Tsaka mga Japanese collectibles. And also mga Playboy. Di ba?
yes,
Si Erica Eleniak landon. Dun sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Erica Eleniak yung Playboy na yun. Baywatch yun.
Yeah.
That's Baywatch. Okay. Thank you, Donna.
Thank you so much po.
Again, check it out on Instagram. Speaking
Of
81.
81. Yeah.
Only, what the ganda. Okay, Donna, ano lang, kumbaga bonus video doon sa mga followers ng Plus 81.
Akira.
Yes,
Akira Hallway po ito.
Sa Akira Hallway, ang ganda ng
Yeah.
kanilang hallway. At ang ganda ng kanilang, CR, comfort room o restroom. Look at that, di ba? Bling-bling na bling-bling, pang mayaman. Di ba? Very nice, linis, very nice.
Yes, at automatic na po siya.
Automatic.
na siya, nakatuto.
Ito ba, let's say, kunyari, you'll use the comfort room, may
Yeah.
mga assistant din, di ba?
Yes, hindi na po kailangan ng tabo at timba.
Oo, kasi meron...
Automatic na po siya sa side.
Talaga, Japanese,
Yes,
oo.
Japanese
Tapos pakita
toilet
natin
po siya.
Japanese toilet. Ayun, pang mayaman.
Correct.
Actually, sa banyo ko sa bahay, ganito rin eh. Yung toilet
perfect.
ko.
Yeah.
Diba? Push button, may
Maganda
blower
po
pa.
Yes po,
Oo,
lahat.
Lahat. Again, thank you, Donna.
Thank
Check
you
it
so
out.
much. Arigato
Instagram,
gozaimasu.
speaking of 81.
Yes, thank
Only,
you po.
o yan, no? Diba? Malinis ay yung pepe. Only.